We saw that little gap in the reef pretty early on, didn't we, Lovey?
I think so, yeah.
Barfy, how are you, bud? Magnificent stretch of beach and reef, isn't it, mate?
There's all the dolphins.
Hey, there they are. Yeah, they just move up and down the coast, you know, feeding and chasing fish and that. One big family there. $1 o'clock, good work. Headhunter, how are you, bud? We'll have to pump up the tyres and that, I think. Dun, 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 dun. Dun, 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 dun.
Is this where you'd throw like surface lures?
Yeah, surface poppers and that. Walk out on the ledge, but I don't have any proper reef boots, so that's why I'm not doing it. That'd be absolutely perfect, man. Oh, yeah, all the good mulloway spots are on the north side of Waco, mate. And we'll be doing exactly the same thing tomorrow morning. Well, we're not going to be able to drive to Red Bluff, are we? Tell you what, mate, I'm looking forward to that lunch. This is why I don't drive with a radio. All these years of forward driving, you know. You got to listen to the motor, what it's doing. We'll just drive up to the camp. So the thing is, if I'd have dropped gears and hit it with the accelerator and that corrugated stuff, everything would have hit the ceiling in the back, you know. That's what happens when people don't let their tyres down on the tracks, you know what I mean? It's really disrespectful of other users. Magnificent part of the world, isn't it? Look at this. that would be entertainment. Oh, we're live again. Welcome back, everyone. Australis four-wheel driving adventures at your service. And the best thing about this is you get it for free. Come and join us for a bit of lunch. I'm starving. This is what I go through normally to take you fishing, people. Alright, excellent. See, this private property, keep out. So what we're doing, I've only got 10 psi in the tyres, mate. I've got to be careful. We'll pump them up when we get back to the accommodation. See how this is still a fairly soft road? Dun, 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 dun. Dun, 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 dun. Thanks, mate. I'm only driving at about 15 kilometres an hour because I've only got 10 pound of PSI in my tyres. I don't want to slice my tyres, so I'm steady. Just going to climb up here. Hey, thanks everyone. It's alright, mate. That's why we do it. No one asks me to do this. I choose to do it. Big difference, right? And I enjoy doing it. This is how I de-stress, you know? Now, just excuse me momentarily. Right. Oh, we've still got a Starlink dish on there. It's a change, Lobby. Normally everything self-destructs. Oh, I'm getting old. Man, my legs are killing me. Running up and down that beach like an idiot all day. Loving it though. Love it! Love it! Ooh yeah. Good on you, mate. You wouldn't be saying that if Chelsea were 1-0 down to Liverpool first game of the season. Oh, down easy, Tiger, easy. Wants to launch slow you. That's what happens when you take off on a hard road in first gear. So let's get over here. That was magnificent today. Fair enough we didn't get any Mulloway or Mackies, but who cares? 16 psi. Yeah, good luck. We still got reception and everything? Great. Oh, that's exactly right. Now, come in, we should be able to bring the modem in. You can join us for lunch. It's nothing too flash, just sandwiches. I feel good, Loey. Not I could run a marathon good, but I couldn't do that before I went fishing today, you know. Oh, they got one, beautiful. Nice big Mackie. Good size, that bugger. Right, yeah, we'll pump these tyres up in a minute. Hang on. There we go, forward drive off. Beautiful.